right? So now you know that this is valued at well over $1 million. I mean, it should be well over $1 million. And I'm guessing in my mind that he's expecting $1 million to 1.5 million is what he's expecting. Now it's in a tertiary market. It's a tertiary market, and we ran the numbers at a 10 cap. The market is calling for. We're gonna try to get a 10 cap, right? So, do you have a 10 cap under market cap rate?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, we shoot for a 10 cap, and it's valuing it at 1 point whatever. So I would honestly just put an offer in for $1 million, and see what he says. You know.
Right.
But he's going to expect between $1 million and $1.5 million for that facility. And you could always shoot for lower, you know, say 900 grand and see what he says. But we don't know what he wants for, or what you could do. It's an income producing property. You could say, look, this is what it's actually valued at right now, based on your numbers. It is valued at 500. What does it say? What is the current price?
472. So yeah,
472. Just say, like, look, my first offer is $472,000. This is what I'm going to offer you because this is what your numbers show. And then what you could say is, like, I talked to my lenders, I talked to my partners, and they all said, you know, they're willing to pay $475,000 for this facility. And just put that offer in is what I would do, and just see what they say.
Right.
He may think that's a great offer, but he may be like, you know what, screw you, you know, and then like, you know, worth $1 million. But the truth is like, you just got to put an offer in. That's it. All right. So I would put an offer in for $475,000, and just see what he says, and expect that he's going to want to go up to $1 million. Okay. Just expect.
Yeah. Now, but just kind of testing the waters. Yeah. I see.
You're testing the waters is what you're doing. Okay. Yeah. Now, another thing is that when you do put the offer in for $475,000, offer like $600,000 with owner financing.
Yeah. Just have a couple offers on hand.
Exactly. So when you put your offer in, say, look, I'll pay you $475,000 cash, or I'll pay you $600,000 with $100,000 down, or whatever, however much money you think you can come down on. And if you owner finance it, I'll do $600,000 and I'll pay you an interest rate or something, something like that.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? So you can come up with like a cash offer and then like an owner financing offer is what you could do. And I would write these out, send them to me so I could check them, but essentially write them out very clearly. And then at the end of your offer letter, what I would say is, just so you know, this is just a starting point. Like I'm very interested in purchasing your facility. These are the numbers that I came up with, but I'm open to meeting you and talking with you and coming up with a way to do this.
Right.
He may be open to owner financing if you offer more money, if you offer some money to them. And the thing is that you want to make a win-win situation. You really want to you don't want to be lowballing and like pissing people off and stuff. Like, gone are those days, right? You want to make him happy, and you want to be happy as well too.
Right.
I definitely think that you could make an offer on this. Okay.
Come
up with a good offer letter, one cash offer, whatever you feel that you want to offer on that, and then one like owner financing offer, which I have. Those templates are in the Coach Accountable, so you could just take those and copy those and then send them to me so I could take a look at it, and I'll help you fine tune that letter. Okay, so you can use that letter over and over again. Yeah,
I knew you had the offer sheet in there somewhere. I saw it the other day in the Coach Accountable.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yeah, everything's there, so you can get everything right.
Yeah, I'll go look at it.
Yeah, so I think that's your homework. I want to see an offer to this facility. Okay. And I think for everybody else, I apologize for my laptop. Like, we're sitting in our RV with no power and stuff right now. So I apologize for that, but hopefully this at least gave you, I know we went over the deal analyzer, so it gave you kind of an idea of what you need in order to run deal analysis. and kind of a better idea of how to at least come up with some offers so that you know that you can look at it, analyze it, come up with a couple different offers.